everything you need to know about facial balancing. I'm Janelle. I'm a cosmetic nurse practitioner. I've been injecting Botox fillers, doing lasers, skin treatments since 2013. I have my own practice, Janelle Beauty Aesthetics in Los Angeles. I'm here to help you out. Okay, first, what is facial balancing? Facial balancing is an approach we use to assess and treat your entire face as a whole, as opposed to only treating certain areas. Here at Janelle Beauty Aesthetics, we use non-surgical cosmetic procedures like Botox and filler to help minimize facial asymmetry and create balance and harmony amongst your facial features. With this, we're always taking into account you, your God-given features, ethnic and cultural background, lifestyle, aging process, your ideals of beauty. This produces the most natural looking enhancements. Who this is for? Facial balancing is for anyone who wants to create changes or enhancements to their face. Maybe you're noticing signs of aging, like your under eyes looking more sunken, smile lines getting deeper, corners of the mouth drooping down, or if you just want to create a change to your appearance, maybe you don't love the bump on your nose, you want to sharpen your jawline, enhance your lips, slim your face. Each of these are common concerns that people come in for and we treat. What to expect? When you come in for your consultation and treatment, we're going to do a thorough assessment of your face. We're going to go through your questions, concerns, goals, and develop your personal treatment plan. We're going to take into consideration your lifestyle and any upcoming events, and we're going to review your post-care and maintenance. When it comes to your treatment, we'll clean and prep your skin, we'll provide an ice pack and a squeezy ball, and you'll have a medical assistant beside you tapping your shoulder to distract you from the pokes. Pain. Pain levels vary depending on your tolerance and the treatment. We use the smallest needles possible, and there's lidocaine, a numbing agent, already mixed into your filler. Who is not a candidate for facial balancing? If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have severe or uncontrolled medical conditions, this is not for you. Safety and precautions. When it comes to doing filler, we want to make sure we're not blocking off blood flow. We have blood vessels all over our face and body. We want to make sure with the filler, we're not putting too much in any area so that blood cannot flow and move like normal. With this, during your treatment, we're looking to make sure your skin color is normal. It shouldn't be more pale than normal. You should not have any extreme pain, and you should not have any vision issues. If you're experiencing any of these, we would stop injecting and we would dissolve the filler. This is extremely rare. I've been injecting since 2013, and in all that time, I've never had to dissolve anybody for any emergency. However, in the rare case that this did happen, we just want you to know we're equipped to intervene. Pre-care. Here's what to do before your facial balancing treatment. Understand that you can bruise and swell, so consider this as you're planning your appointment. Give yourself a minimum of 2 to 3 weeks before major events. If it's something really important, let's do this longer in advance to minimize bruising and swelling. Avoid blood thinners unless medically necessary, and alcohol for up to 1 to 2 weeks before your appointment. You can also take arnica or bromelain supplements and eat pineapple up to 1 to 2 weeks before your appointment to help with bruising and swelling. Post-care. Here's what you should be doing after your treatment. Understand you are very likely going to be bruised and swollen. The results you see immediately after treatment are going to be more dramatic than what they will end up as. The first few days, swelling and bruising will increase before decreasing over the next couple of weeks. Continue avoiding the blood thinners and alcohol, and taking the arnica, bromelain, and eating pineapple. Avoid strenuous exercise for at least 3 to 5 days after treatment. Also avoid salty foods, long flights, excessive heat like saunas, hot tubs, and sweating, as these things will prolong your swelling and healing process. You do not need to press on or manipulate any areas that we injected. We want to avoid putting pressure on the injection sites. You may notice bumps that you can feel under the skin where we injected. This is normal. Don't mess with it. These bumps will resolve on their own over 6 to 8 weeks post-injection. Sleeping on your back, upright, a little elevated and propped up will help minimize your bruising and swelling. Continue icing your face for at least the first 4 to 8 hours after treatment. If you're continuing to notice swelling beyond 4 to 8 hours, continue icing. Do not apply makeup to the areas we injected for that day of treatment. You can resume makeup the day after. We want to make sure no infections are happening where we treated. Don't sleep on your face. We don't want to cause any unnecessary pressure to the treatment site or move the product. If you're experiencing symptoms like extreme pain, vision issues, or your skin color is paler than normal, contact us immediately. If you're flying in for treatment, make arrangements to stay in town for at least the rest of the day. Maintenance and longevity. Expect to come in 6 to 8 weeks post your initial treatment. At your follow-up, we can see how things are settling, make adjustments, add more if you desire. The goal is to make sure you always look natural and refreshed. We're not here to rush treatments. It's a marathon, not a sprint. General timeline for maintenance once we reach your aesthetic goals are doing your filler at 1 to 2 years, your Botox every 3 to 4 months. Your skin treatments you'll want to do regularly, like monthly or at the very least quarterly. Pricing will vary depending on your custom treatment plan. In general, most patients will spend about $5,000 to $7,000 when we're treating multiple areas of the face. Remember, we do this so everything looks the most natural, and this may be broken up over a couple sessions. For more detailed pricing, we will meet together, do your assessment, and determine your treatment plan. Keep in mind how much we do depends on your face, your goals, and what the treatment is. That about covers it. We are so excited to see you and be a part of your aesthetic journey. Our goal is to make sure you always look and feel like the most refreshed version of yourself. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to our team. They can assist you with booking your appointment. And when you're ready for yours, come see us.